How to share NGL link on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to share your NGL link on Snapchat, first things first, open up your NGL app and then choose what you want to share, and then you can hit copy link. Now, once the link is copied, come back and then open up your Snapchat. Now, uh, you can just put in a picture of your choice or randomly click a picture. And then now to add the link, you will need to go to the attachment icon in the left hand side. That is the third last icon. Just tap on it and then you can see type a URL. Just long press and paste the link and then hit go. Now you can see attach to snap at the bottom. Just tap on it and then there you go. Your Angel link has now been attached to your Snapchat and you can send it to people and share it as a story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.